and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. It's not 200 but 280 kg of charas that is missing from Mudemal custody. Sources say PSI was sent to bring the charas. He returned with only 5 kgs. Political uproar seems to have cooled down. G7 hoping for results by Friday. Miki camping in Delhi to meet Sharad Pawar. Home Minister calls recent political drama by G7 a kid's play. Asks CM to be firm on current political turmoil. Sporting Club de Goa beat JCT to continue their fight for I-League survival. And GPL 3 days matches at Panji and Madgaon end in a draw. Dempo and Sarvodaya gain 3 points. Now the news in detail. The total amount of missing charas from police custody is not 200 kg but 280 kg. In a shocking revelation by police sources, in 2005, charas of about 250 kgs went missing while transferring it from Mudemal Godown to Malkhana. Crime branch has now sought permission of the court to verify other drugs in Mudemal Godown. Here is a report.
After the recent police drug mafia nexus expose, crime branch are on their toes to investigate and verify the stock in the Mudemal Godown and Malkhana. Charas weighing about 200 kgs was reported missing from highly protected police godown, but apparently it is revealed that a load of 280 kg charas went missing. As per the sources, a PSI was asked to transfer the huge amount of drugs from Mudemal Godown to Malkhana, but he returned with only a few kgs of charas. Crime branch will now verify drugs in the custody of Mudemal and police godown. And it is possible that other type of drugs might be missing from the godown. Crime branch to verify Mudemal Godown. Stock details of other drugs to be verified. 280 kg charas missing. In 2005, 250 kg drugs misplaced. In 2010, 280 kg drugs misplaced. Crime branch to investigate drug stock. This 280 kgs of charas is worth rupees 2 crores 80 lakhs in the international market. The drugs are supposed to be destroyed at regular intervals by the Drug Destruction Committee, but it's been 10 years and the committee has not followed the norms of destroying the drugs. Here are the questions that get arisen. Where is the drug? Is the drug pushed back in the market? How? Who does it? And is the same drug seized again? Well, there are more questions than answered. Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Political uproar seems to have cooled down, at least for now, but efforts of G7 are on. G7 is hoping that on Friday both the high commands will meet and their demands will be fulfilled. On the other side, Tourism Minister Miki Pacheco is camping in Delhi to meet Sharad Pawar. Governor Dr. S.S. Sidhu is also in Delhi.
Though Group 7 had gone to Mumbai, NCP senior leader Praful Patel did not meet them. Now Miki Pacheco is trying hard to meet NCP chief Sharad Pawar at Delhi. Sharad Pawar is the only hope for G7 after getting no response from Patel. Sources say Miki will narrate the state and demands of G7 to Pawar. There are very few chances of political developments in the state as Governor Dr. S.S. Sidhu is also in Delhi. For any major political development, presence of governor in the state is very necessary. Jose Philippe was hoping that both the high commands will meet on Tuesday and by Wednesday decision would be made. Late evening developments suggested that the meeting might be held on 9th. When we contacted NCP Goa desk in charge Prakash Bingsade, he informed that he is not aware about any such development. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Home Minister Ravi Naik has called recent political drama nothing but a kid's play. He says CM Digambar Kamath has to be firm in the current political turmoil. He has stressed that whatever tough stance CM takes, he will have the backup of Congress colleagues. From past 2 months, government is facing political instability. Group 7 has been threatening government to get their demands fulfilled. In this political scenario, senior leader and Home Minister Ravi Naik has advised CM to be firm. He says only CM and High Command can resolve this issue. Ravi has assured his full backing to the CM.
I don't know how they form it.
But sir, here जाते हैं बारिश दिसता.
ये going करा बड़ा बरस नहीं. CM has to, he has to decide.
What he has to decide?
And High Command. This is our party and NCP party. They have to decide.
But decide what? Meant to decide
Regarding what is to solve this problem? I don't know what is
how to
the
solve
demand. What is the demand? I don't know.
One is removal of home from you.
That I don't know. Because this portfolio is all this it is with the CM and High Command. He has to be firm.
By remaining firm, what action you and
We are behind him.
They say we are with you, be firm.
Yes.
This is what it is.
Take action, you said, against dissidents.
That I don't know.
Ravi says the recent political drama is nothing but a kid's play. Our reporter Ramesh Naik Raut and Vivek Prabhu for Prudent Media. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.